Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Apps Academy. Today in this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to set a nickname for someone in Signal application. If you want to set a custom nickname for your contacts in Signal, first of all, launch the Signal app open on your smartphone and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're inside the home page of Signal or the chat screen, select one of your contacts you want to give a nickname to. Now go to the top of the screen and tap on the contact's profile picture. Now click on Nickname on the next page. Go ahead and set the first and last name for the person you want to nickname and then click on Done. Soon after you do that, you have successfully nicknamed one of your contacts on Signal. This does not change the contact name on the other person's device. It is only visible to you in your Signal app. You've successfully set a custom nickname for someone on Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.